Afternoon, everyone. I'm Charles Payne. This is Making Money. All right, so the stock market just saw the biggest slug of retail cash to ever come in a month, right? Look at that spike over there. $100 billion. I mean, we're just talking about all this money coming in. Despite all the nonstop warnings of doom and gloom, right now, retail investors on pace to shatter the record. Look at this. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. $800 billion, who knows, $900 billion. Meanwhile, the momentum is in full force. You know, a little bit soggy today, but without a doubt, right? And pick this up. 5 all-time highs have been established this month alone, and we have a legitimate shot. The record is 11 in 2017. We've got a legitimate shot at 11. We've got 33 for the year. So we're building that serious momentum here right now. Retail investors, of course, have liberated themselves by gaining knowledge through trial and error, but also greater access to market history, and insatiable desire to learn. And you can see it reflected in how well they're doing. For instance, buying at all-time highs, right? Seems a little counterintuitive, but apparently, if you do it, it works, right? At all-time highs in yellow, particularly if you buy and hold. 5 years later, you substantially outperform. So these are things that maybe people wouldn't know or do on their own. This morning, we discovered also retail has become even more bullish. And I do want to point one thing out. 46% bullish, that's well above the historical average, but also 36% bearish is above the historical average. So there's really not a lot in the middle, not a lot of neutral. Meanwhile, the ivory tower crowd, from the Bank of England to the IMF, and of course, Jamie Dimon, warning this market could implode. Of course, it could always implode. Now, according to them, what looks like a doorway to generational wealth that you all see out there and that you're trying to open, they say, don't open the door. There's something evil behind it.